And ahead of the Rajya Sabha polls on Saturday, there was some relief for the Congress in Uttar Pradesh, which still needs 5 votes to see nominee Kapil Sibal through in the elections. BSP chief Mayawati indicated that her surplus votes could go the Congress's way. Sources in the BJP, which is supporting an independent candidate apart from its official nominee, said they're still trying to make things as difficult for Mr. Sibal as possible.
Which way will Kapil Sibal versus the BJP-backed Preeti Mahapatra go on Saturday? Look for answers on Friday, says the BJP, when Legislative Council elections take place for 13 seats. In these elections, the BJP has an extra candidate who needs 17 non-BJP votes for a victory. The BJP is claiming they already have 5 and that they are banking on cross-voting for a win. If it actually happens, Kapil Sibal could have much to worry about on Saturday. That's because Mrs. Mahapatra, who runs an NGO and is the wife of a Mumbai-based businessman, needs at least 22 non-BJP votes for a Rajya Sabha victory. Just 5 more than the 17 on Friday. But today, a boost for Kapil Sibal, with BSP chief Mayawati attacking the BJP and the Samajwadi Party for a covert alliance, an indicator she may support Sibal. She has already announced support for the Congress candidate in Madhya Pradesh.
हम किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, यूपी में किसको नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो ये सब खुलासा रिजल्ट आने के बाद आपके सामने आ जाएगा। उत्तर प्रदेश में सपा और बीजेपी अंदर नहीं खुलकर मिली हुई है। ये बाहर कुछ और बोलती है, अंदर कुछ और इनका रवैया रहता है।
RLD chief Ajit Singh has also said his 8 MLAs will vote for the Samajwadi Party and the Congress. Yet, this will be a fight to the finish, since at a Congress dinner for Kapil Sibal on Wednesday, 6 of the 29 Congress MLAs did not turn up. Rumours are that some of them may be looking for a BJP ticket instead.
वोट अभी परसों पड़ना है, 48 घंटे बाकी। हमारे 28 MLA शहर में हमारे साथ हैं, हमारे साथ लगातार।
The political suspense in Uttar Pradesh still very much on. In Lucknow with camera person Ramesh Verma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.